95 ang aftershock sa Cebu. At ngayong araw, niyanig rin ng lindol ang Baguio at La Union. Sa lindol, maraming school ang walang pasok bukas, October 10, 2025, Biyernes sa buong Pilipinas. Ang listahan ay makikita dito sa post namin at comment section. Alerto sa balita, mag-follow sa page namin Edukasyon News Channel at share mo ang balitang ito.
Grabe! Lord! Tago! Tago! No! No!
A 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the Mindanao region of the Philippines on Friday, October 10, 2025. The earthquake was recorded at 9:43 a.m. at a depth of 56 kilometers. The epicenter was off the east coast of Manay, Davao Oriental. Aftershocks and potential damage are expected. A tsunami warning has also been issued. The tremors were felt strongly in several provinces in southern Mindanao, prompting residents to evacuate buildings and move to open areas. Authorities are currently assessing the extent of possible damage and monitoring for aftershocks. Disaster response teams and local government units are on standby for possible rescue and relief operations. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the southern Philippines on Friday morning local time. The Philippine Seismological Agency warned of potential severe damage and aftershocks and immediately issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas near the epicenter. Teresito Bacocol, head of the Philippine Seismological Agency, stated that the earthquake's epicenter was located about 20 kilometers offshore from Manay City in the Mindanao region at 9:43 a.m. local time. He stated that the earthquake's high intensity likely triggered a tsunami along the country's east coast. Hopefully, all the people of Mindanao, Philippines are safe.
Lord, tama na Lord! Lord! Tama na Lord!
Geraldine, please, Lord. Sino ka si Gino?
Okay, thank you for watching to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe because I will give you the information about the natural disaster around the world every day. There are many natural disasters around the world. Storms, flooding, typhoon, earthquakes, tornadoes, volcano erupts, and others. And I will give you the information about that every day. So stay with my YouTube channel. Okay, once again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Diamond doubles. Heart 4 times.
Mani sila mani mga tao. Kini maginainay na pud meron ang update lang ko kadali kay para makatabang pud ta sa ato ang mga katong mga tao na walay update sa kilid sa dagat. Oh. Yara ning ulas ang dagat oh. Kusog kayo, mani ron ang kuan update diri sa Daikan. Wa kusog kayo ang unas, ganina taog kay ni. Tara. Tanawan ninyo guys, kung makita nyo ng video, dalian ninyo. Pag bakwit na mo dali-dali, kay kami, mudaga na po meron taon. Kusog kayo bay. Kusog kayo ngunas oh. Taob kayo ni kanina. Oh bay. Oh, mani sila oh, mani mga tao. Kini, maginainay na po meron. Ang update lang ko kadali, kay para makatabang po sa ato ang mga katong mga tao na walay update sa kilid sa dagat. Oh.